Kojeva Face Brush has generated a lot of buzz online, but before you buy in based on social media hype, it's important to separate fact from marketing claims. Many promotional posts and ads for the Kojeva Face Brush promise clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin by using sonic vibration technology and gentle exfoliation, yet independent customer feedback is mixed. Some users report noticeable improvements in skin texture and makeup application, while others see little to no benefit compared to traditional cleansing methods. A number of reviewers also raise concerns about durability, battery life, and the intensity of the vibrations, with a few saying the brush feels flimsy or stops working after a short period of use. In terms of whether Kojeva is a scam, there's no evidence that the product itself is fraudulent or that purchases aren't delivered. It is a real device with legitimate skincare principles behind it. However, the marketing around it can be misleading, often implying dramatic skin transformations that aren't guaranteed for everyone. As with many beauty tools, effectiveness varies widely depending on your skin type, skincare routine, and expectations, so reading a range of honest user reviews and comparing it with established cleansing brushes can give you a clearer picture of whether it's worth the investment for your personal needs.